any question in maths tells you what to do. And if you can listen to what the question is telling you and hence do what the question is asking you to do, you will always qualify the math section. You'll always get through a question. And if you can get through questions, you'll qualify automatically. So if you are not able to solve a question, or if you solve a question with difficulty, it means some of the points at which the question is instructing you to do something, you're not able to handle it. Right? So I call these points as triggers. So every maths question is about triggers and the reactions. Right? So if I give you two numbers, 2, 3, I don't tell you what to do inside it. I'm just giving you some information, just giving you some story without any triggers in it. But the moment I tell you 2 divided by 3, it's a trigger which leads to a certain step which will give you the answer. If I say 2 plus 3, it becomes a trigger. Similarly, in a maths question, a man is traveling from Delhi to Jaipur. There's no trigger in the statement, it's just a story. He's traveling at 50 kilometers per hour. Still no trigger, still a story. He travels for 5 hours to reach his destination. Now you have a trigger if you combine these two stories. Delhi to Jaipur is 50 kilometers per hour, 5 hours, it's 250 kilometers. That's the distance. So this is what maths is all about. You identify triggers inside questions and you react to them. And the process of getting better at maths is to keep installing one trigger at a time. Okay, इससे क्या करना है? Maths का biggest advantage is that कोई भी चीज़ से क्या करना है तुमको एक ही बार सीखना पड़ता है. You don't need to learn it a second time. Right? So if I tell you that the total score of a batsman in 20 innings is 870 runs. So 870 by 20, 43.5 will become his average, is the reaction to this statement. And that reaction will be set anytime I give you a sum of a certain number of numbers. You can come out with the reaction of average.